right? If this, just think about it. If you got in on this one and it did the slight pullback, you should still be fine, right? You don't even need to shed 50%. It never broke VWAP, or you know what I mean? Like, but again, it's up to you. I would rather you lightened your load here just to ease your mind, to allow you to do this, lighten the load to ease your mind, to maybe it does it again and you panic more, to lighten the load to ease your mind, right? Before you do it again, to lighten the load to ease your mind, and then it could keep going. Because what will happen is if you guys are in too big or you're not collecting profits, the first time it makes a little move, you're going to get all the way out right here on the pullback, and you're going to miss all this money. See it? And this is most of you right now, by the way. You're still doing this. This is most of you, right? I'm not picking on you guys because I'm not calling you out, but I'm telling you, this is most of you. You're doing this, it's pulling back, and you're getting all the way out right here, and then you're missing the whole run of the day.